Hello everyone, and welcome to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Trey Taylor, a Texas family lawyer. Today, we're going to delve into a common concern during divorce proceedings. Does my spouse have any right to my house if I owned it before my marriage in Texas? Understanding property rights in a divorce is crucial, especially when it involves significant assets like your home. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how Texas law treats premarital property in the context of divorce. If you find this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights. In Texas, which is a community property state, the distinction between separate property and community property plays a significant role in divorce proceedings. Let's start by defining these terms. Separate property includes assets owned before the marriage, inheritances, gifts received during the marriage, and any personal injury settlements. If you owned your house before getting married, it is considered separate property. However, things can get complicated if marital funds were used to maintain or improve the property. Community property includes assets acquired during the marriage, with the exception of inheritances and gifts. Both spouses have equal ownership rights to community property, which will be divided equitably during a divorce. Let's consider a real-life scenario involving John and Lisa, a couple from Texas. John owned a house before marrying Lisa. They lived in the house throughout their marriage, making several improvements and paying the mortgage using their joint income. To maintain the house as separate property, John must prove that he owned it before the marriage. This is typically done through clear documentation such as a deed or mortgage statements from before the marriage. Problems arise when community funds are used for mortgage payments, property taxes, or renovations. This is known as commingling. In John's case, if he and Lisa used their joint income to make these payments, Lisa might claim a reimbursement for the community contributions. In Texas, reimbursement claims are common in divorce cases involving separate property. Lisa could argue that the community estate is entitled to reimbursement for the mortgage payments and improvements made during the marriage. This does not give her ownership rights to the house, but rather a financial claim against the value of the house. If the improvements made to the house significantly increased its value, the enhanced value attributable to community funds could be subject to reimbursement. For instance, if they added a swimming pool or renovated the kitchen using community funds, Lisa could seek reimbursement for these contributions. Texas courts will carefully analyze the financial contributions made by each spouse. They'll look at the nature and extent of community contributions to the separate property. The court's goal is to ensure a fair and equitable division of community property while recognizing the separate property rights. In John's case, the court acknowledges that the house is his separate property. However, they also recognize Lisa's right to reimbursement for the community funds used for the mortgage and renovations. The court calculates the amount owed to Lisa, ensuring a fair resolution without altering the ownership status of the house. Navigating property rights in a divorce can be complex, especially when dealing with premarital assets. It's crucial to understand how Texas law applies to your specific situation and to keep thorough documentation of all financial transactions related to your property. Thank you for watching. Hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into how Texas law treats property owned before marriage in the context of a divorce. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more legal insights and updates. Stay informed and take care. See you next time.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.